All right, what's up? What's up? So I got a text earlier today that told me I needed to go try this drink. Said that since I'm just a little basic, that I needed to go to Starbucks and get this drink. So let's go in and check it out. All right, I'm back. I got it. So this is what I was told to get. I got the venti, I guess that's what you call it. Venti vanilla bean cream frappe. On the bottom, a strawberry puree with white mocha. I forget what they're supposed to call it. I got it on my phone to, it's like a strawberry shortcake, maybe strawberry shortcake. Yeah, see, vanilla bean cream frappe, white mocha on the bottom, strawberry puree. Subtotal $7.75 with the 76 tax, so it came to $8.51. Thank you, Starbucks. And at the top of it, it's got graham crackers. So as you see on the bottom, you see more graham, but this thing looks amazing. But let's try the taste test. I've never done this before. Usually I just go in and get the white mocha and be done with it. Or that, was that the cookie crumble crunch thing? We will see. All right, slide that right down up in there. And let's try it. At least they got my name right. One time I went in and they called me Terry with an I. They go, what's the name? I go, Terry. And I've picked it up and it's Terri. It made me feel really like a basic. So, but let's try it out. Smells good. See, I love strawberries. I love granola crackers, whatever you call it. So let's try. Oh man, it's nice and cold, and it's like 90 something degrees today. So yeah, why is my lights on? All right, here we go. Oh my goodness. 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 Oh my word. Oh my goodness. About to make a mess. Oh my goodness. That is amazing. Oh. Holy crap. That's probably the best Starbucks drink that I've had ever. It's got me slurring. Yeah. So I'm going to put the little ingredients up on the screen right here. Bing. And I will attach the picture at the end of this video so you guys can screenshot it too. And go in there, go to Starbucks, and show them the picture that she got off Facebook. And tell them you want this because you need this and you're going to love this and you ain't going to get enough of this. You're going to be singing Tim McGraw's I like it, I love it, I want some more of it. Damn. Let us add a little joy to your day. You, Starbucks, you have really added a lot of joy to my day. I ain't gonna name names who sent me this, but whew. When it comes to Starbucks drinks, I can't doubt you. I'll just doubt you on everything else. But when you give me a Starbucks drink to try, I'm gonna run and go grab it. Whew. My goodness. Guys, I appreciate you guys watching the video. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm getting off here so I can enjoy this. Guys, run to Starbucks. Try it. Let me know in the comments if you ever tried this before. Let me know. And guys, if you guys got a favorite little specialty drink from Starbucks, drop it down in the comments. Let me know. And if I think it's good enough, I'll make a video and do your strange contraption at Starbucks. Maybe we'll start doing little videos at Starbucks. We'll see. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Oh, this is what I needed today. Appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Until next time. Get you this. Oh my goodness. Peace.